In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable temporary chat in Copilot. If you're currently in a temporary chat and you want to switch back to a normal conversation, the good news is that it's very quick and easy to do. Temporary chat is designed for short, private sessions, and Copilot usually makes it clear when you're using it. So before changing anything, take a quick look at the interface and confirm that you are in a temporary chat. You'll typically see an indication on the screen letting you know that temporary chat is active. That visual label is the easiest way to recognize it. Once you've confirmed that and you want to exit temporary chat mode, go to your Copilot window and look toward the top right area of the screen. In that section, you'll see a speech bubble icon. What makes it easy to identify is that the speech bubble is outlined with a broken or dashed line, rather than a solid one. That icon represents the temporary chat setting. When you find that broken line speech bubble icon, click it once. As soon as you do that, temporary chat will be turned off, and you'll exit that mode. That's all you need to do. There's no complicated menu to open and no long setup process. It's simply a matter of recognizing that temporary chat is active, locating the correct icon, and clicking it. If you don't notice the change immediately, just take another quick look at the chat interface. The temporary chat indicator should no longer appear once the mode has been disabled. This is a helpful way to double-check that the setting has actually been turned off. A useful tip here is to pay attention to the icons in the top right corner whenever you use Copilot, because many quick controls are placed there. If you ever accidentally enter temporary chat again, you can follow the exact same process to switch it off in just a moment. So to recap in a simple way, first confirm that you're in a temporary chat by checking the interface label. Then go to the top right of Copilot, find the speech bubble icon with the broken outline, click it, and temporary chat will be disabled. And that's it. You now know how to disable temporary chat in Copilot.